Hey, welcome back everybody. Today we're going to be opening a box of 23, 24 NBA hoops. This is a blaster box. I picked this up at Target. Odd number ending in FX1, which is pretty cool. One of the reasons why I picked it up. I don't know what it means. Again, I'm just I like odd numbers, and well, let's see what happens. Let's see if these odd number boxes or serial numbers that end in an odd number is what I mean. Let me just clarify. Let's see how. Let's see if it pays off. Maybe we'll get a Wemby. Wemby. All right. Alrighty. Let's go. Retail exclusive autograph. Ooh, you can get an autograph. All right. Shoot, I can't even open this right. De'Aaron Fox. Let's get a cool Wemby. Let me just throw this away. All right, cool. Bones Hayward. Kevin, what? Jaden Ivey. Oh, hey, isn't this the guy on the cover? Yeah, it is. That's cool. Asar Thompson. That's pretty cool. It's always nice to get the featured player on the box. Here's one rookie. Ooh, Steph Curry. Another rookie. Trae Young. Tyrese. Kentavious Caldwell Pope. Damian Lillard. Bradley Beal. De'Aaron Fox and Donovan Mitchell. Pink, I think. That's pretty cool. All right. Let's grab these. Set it away. Next pack. Who is that? Devin Booker! Trey Murphy. Jalen Johnson. Luke Kennard. Jared Vanderbilt. That's a cool name. I am Jared Vanderbilt. Austin Reeves. Brandon. I didn't even finish the name. Drew Holiday. Peyton Pritchard or Picard. Mike Connolly. Kelly. Wendell Carter Jr. Blue. Oh. Packs. Jalen Schifino. Packs. In the trash, packs. Ooh, rookie. Brian Giannis. Rookie. Ja Morant. Oh, come on. So weird. Everything's upside down and right side up. Luka. Emmanuel Quickly. Ben Simmons. Ooh, that's a cool looking card. It's like a ticket. Arriving now. Draymond Green. Like looking for the, gosh. Rookie. Bilal Coulibaly. Oh man, did I chop that up? Jalen Suggs. Ooh, the gangster. I love this guy. Allen Iverson. AI. The answer. Cameron Thomas. Washington. That's a cool card, though. Greetings from Washington. Rise and Shine memorabilia is, I'm just reading the side of this box, it says Rise and Shine memorabilia and Rookie Remembrance are the Special Blaster exclusive. Okay. So, let's see. Trae Young, base. Chris Paul. Julian, Jason Tatum. Dario. Jokic. Kristaps, Jaden. What's this? Julian Strawther. Oh, that's the... Probably a, yep. Oh, it's a Rise and Shine. Look for Rise and Shine and Rookie Oh, that's cool. Is he any good? Rise and Shine memorabilia. Cool. Oh, what's the last card? Nikola Jokic. Oh, dude, this guy's insane. Jokic, the Joker. Last pack. Tumani. Oh. Let's see. The Warriors. Steph Curry. Hunter. Simmons, Tari Eason, arriving soon. That's cool. Not too shabby. Your average box. Got one of the rookies that's on the box. So, hey. I call that a win. Thanks for watching.